everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation the Lakers from the 22nd to the 26th of June 2026 on Monday. Jack learns a hidden truth about his father as he finds out he's about to be a father of a boy. Kamo questions Lulu's motives. Kumo pleads his case to Shama. Dao promotes Lulu, but he has a bad Father's Day on Tuesday. Jack and G-Wagon organize the family's reconciliation, but Figile is not invited. Sebe gets another letter under her door. Sam offers a solution to Sebe's problem. Kia is shutting down now that she is trapped indefinitely. Kumo gets an unexpected visit from a familiar face on Wednesday. Sam and G-Wagon team up against Lucy and Nomasebe. Mbuyiseni infuriate Figile with his comment about Swazi, and Figile herself Tao twist the knife in the Morocco guards. Kumo feels he has failed in his secret duty to his sister, and Gia crosses a serious line on Thursday. Lulu manipulates Charmaine for a story. Figile takes desperate measures to protect her relationship. Sam encourages Sebe to push to rent Lucy's back room. Jack and G-Wagon go to KZN to make amends. Gia sinks into a deeper, darker place on Friday. Kumo 13 Commander Williams Lulama learns that what Kamo really thinks of her. Gia's situation takes a strange, scary turn. G-Wagon saves Figile from humiliation, and Lucy offends Ausnokwazi. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.